Welcome to Open My Podcast. I'm the host, Praise Allah. Until you know, one of the baddest hip hop artists in the studio chair. So now I'm inviting you to join me. Can have discussions about a musical career. I do project here on air. I do project here on Nana. So na bomo ko join me studio beach ka tabantonta yara jama yara bo.
I always want to do this. Whoa. And I know my God will never fail me. I know he'll never fail me. Call your pray, man, whenever ready. Call me, I don't care who don't call me homie. Jesus know my name, he surely know this one. I've been truly packed, do not cop, dance like. I put my gang out with me, I've seen the whole victory. I said a prayer in his name, man, you can't believe how she calling me. I know my energy, my father noticed me in his ground, never lose. Y'all know I've been praying all my lifetime. Except God, what up, this is Great Boy Ray. And I'm from Upper West. I'm with Prince Banayel.
Yo, welcome to my studio. Charlie, it's been a while.
So
so Kenan so that expected your Jama you sent all of the sudden Sabolo to one year Tarahe. So Junetiaka Ben Katuwa and open my studio. Can I never have a discussion Jama concerning in musical career? And then Yali to near Janton Soroko Bang about Great Boy Ray. Okay, so Kenan Kanye, it was you offset for a while. So Bunda Vem. I know Bola Kui motivation or one back.
okay, I think it have been a passion and a dream for me.
Okay.
So music, yeah, something I'm gonna put more on. In a year's I was off scene.
Yeah.
And it's true. In the music industry, I need somebody that will be behind me.
Okay.
That will invest in me.
Okay.
So by it came to a point that like Ndabanyirana support now.
Ndabanyirana support
Yeah.
Okay.
So I started doing something on my own.
Okay.
That will give me income.
You started doing something aside music.
Yeah. Okay. I'm running a mobile shopping clothing brand.
Mobile shopping clothing brand.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I work at Pampana online bongato. It's kind of online bonga. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then tell us about your musical background and influence.
Okay.
Your musical background and influence.
Okay. Precisely, I listen to music across just anything that sounds good.
Okay.
So I'm a fan of a Lil Babe, Meek Mill, and Popcaan as a godfather. So music has been in my blood since I was a kid.
Since you were a kid?
Yeah.
In a village, in your car, ye metro yellow beer, a gem. So I drink Yamato Philco.
Yeah.
So, Tambo Sound in your couple of official rank in a year.
I think more by high school. That was
which year?
2019.
2019. Oh.
And
okay. Then moving on. How can your listeners stay up to date with your music or upcoming projects?
Come again.
How can your listeners stay up to date with your music or incoming projects?
Okay, they can follow me on all social platforms at Great Boy Ray.
Okay.
And now too, I'm just coming in for real.
Oh, you are coming in for real. Full energy. No going back.
No going back. No.
Okay. Kenan Kanye, Great Boy Ray. Man, so a question about NY of scene. Yokumaka is why our clothing can work as support a bongana. So I will ask a musician, you know, Tirano online clothing bonga tarena. But to effect antara in music bongano. Be about 1 year, Yara Java, Doggy Bokanga, or time woman the Benny the Candice and lyrics. Someone got you online shopper, be time later soccer, and shopper mellow work and the Ieni. But to effect be but to dog a member facing.
No, it's just a normal vibe. Yeah, it's just a normal vibe. And I think our clothing and music merging together now.
Okay.
I am like our clothing. I'm post it online. I'm post it online.
Okay.
So okay, now I'm interested now. You DM me.
Okay.
So mine is delivering free.
Okay.
But the music too is just the vibe. Okay. If I'm listening to a beat,
okay,
it just keep coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
But do you have a management team or a group of people that is helping you?
Okay. So management team, number 3 management team center. But I'm having 1 or 2 boys and Truman supporting movement. Kamayalka, Jenga Turla. then they go follow up.
Okay.
Then they need a team, young. Seriously, a team.
Like awa never bawala, never baby, never better. Then
Our team ni mambuara na. Mbuara kinana joining team na. Kita real kangay era beneficial to the brand.
Okay.
So let's say that you are a boranki in videographer.
Okay.
Be boranki in producer.
Okay.
Be boranki man founder. Kanga interviews.
Okay.
And all that thing involved.
Is it that qualification can be a one year and the gym character? Hope I'm going to join a Great Boy Ray in music. The music brand or you level, level.
Yeah, Great Boy Ray.
Great Boy Ray. Okay. Can you have an character? Oh, one can join down for that. Promote a living blog and voila. It's a qualification in the bottom do Kudana. Oh, Namabuaka being Namabuaka Etaro qualifications. Namabua is semi final of
Oh, nah. In a tournament be around me when I need you. I think.
Okay. So, are there any collaborations or futures to come? Is that eternal collaborations maybe futures minute and an hour?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot.
A lot.
Oh, so current is that eternal current projects in drop B in the plaki release B in release?
Yeah, I think release 2 tracks.
Release 2 tracks.
One that was last year.
Last year,
December. Yeah.
December.
Yeah.
So
and one thing too, this music that I've recorded.
Okay.
Last year, bonho.
Last year, bonho.
Yeah. So this year, number this year,
recorded. Drop last year, and entire fresh project in drop.
Yeah.
Last year.
Yeah.
Okay. Until in about to share or title, I don't you now like if possible, about to put a cappella be another bank out of call back.
Okay. Drop a one for our Nailanker. Hey. Now I'm my royal and joking on the boat. So what yeah militant piang up
what yeah militant piang and I'm meant to be seen.
Yeah, man, the man can give up to room so man through a loose one, I think on what yeah emotional down. So man is track who nobody request them kind of track. I never feel kind of track.
Aku ana down or
I put an down or you're less to have Joshua.
Okay.
So now yeah track and then people started saying, bro, you have to come back, you have to come back.
Okay.
Then man through like come back. If not, I was just down and I was willing to quit at that time.
Oh, sorry. Until ana track na otatu level. I know you never to under the acapella be a freestyle level.
Our title, yeah, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Into brackets to her Joshua.
Okay, okay. So you are available on Audio Mac from Panama.
Yes, it's available on Audio Mac.
Okay. So moving on. Until onala a current project now be a bunga into a drop any chabe.
Okay. Oh yeah, match. As I said, it's 2 tracks.
It's 2 tracks.
So
what of the other one? Like title.
God won't fail me. I think on a cappella le more create
okay, only the intro.
Yeah.
Maybe in power 6 kilo to about second story about other year.
Okay. This one belongs to
title, yeah.
God goodbye.
No,
God won't fail me.
God won't fail me. I'm going to fail me.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe kid to a cappella be like actually. What? No, a cappella, not.
I know my God will never fail me. I know my God will never fail me. And I know my God will not fail me. That my nigga on the other side who took the pills, but he don't forget what mama said. We go to church, yeah, we remember what the scripture said. Love your neighbor as yourself, don't be selfish, know your wealth. Me I still with that. Hear my mama prayer up that we live right now. Can't forget the olden days. Me I used to cry. I never get a place to sleep. Me I still like that. I'm the sharper in the who calculating my amps like they do in every school. She wasn't so cool.
Mad.
Yeah.
Oh, I really great. Great. Okay, what does music mean to you?
I think music is something that gives me life.
Something that gives you
me life.
Music.
Without music, I would say I cannot breathe.
Like teaching, Daniel broken heart.
So, a lot.
Broken heart.
A lot.
Wait.
Let's be real. A lot.
Assume in your broken heart, can music heal you? Okay, if you girl, it will your broken heart, and you know what you may nama.
Yeah.
So currently, are you dating?
Entire projects like that.
No, currently, are you dating?
Currently, I'm not ready to date.
You are not dating.
I'm not ready to date.
Why?
I think
So
I'm not
when
ready.
that very previous relationship in like ready kill a date.
Because Numbore and Mambuara Pampana. I think most of these girls Baba ready for that.
Bala.
Yeah.
I look at Jinga, great boy Ray, yes single.
Yeah.
Yes,
I love people though. Like I love people.
Out in Jinga, yes single, batara before Jan, oh baby, being a before Jatan, the Monco, baby, Gargamal, we send them a Kiduku, the Batarania Jabala.
Nah.
So check never to share with Bonvang, a previous relationship, Oka, Yaka, if baby Yala and Doka, Emperor Polka,
I think understanding both understanding both, and besides,
is it that in a understand a partner understand it?
Okay, both teams story.
Yeah, can I understand it?
No, not like the kind of understand. A time will come like when I need something like can you available. Mom like job store mama papa movement. So as at now like yeah mechanic at my brother working shop.
Okay.
So at that time like the man call him and feel like a babe, let's talk. And I'm
busy.
So feel like boy very different this thing there. Like what now?
So kabla ka ya tutano onda ba. So is it that I don't plan very ka ibele silke la body aja.
Not that
you are not ready. Be ready.
Mba sir.
Che papa into your engine to jimbo you ready be very ready.
I need to work on myself, so I'm not ready
How?
Yet.
Oh, to you can pop and I can't pop the canton character. Oh,
maybe remember like on year and dream. I believe with me we can go together. So won't come along like I'm okay with that.
Ciao to Jimbo after interview can you pop to Kako bar. I told you social media handle Kako to feeling power will you accept?
No.
Why?
Naboran kamba me dana sana.
Kibang and be probably sana. So kino bango kono ay boabo.
Kona wa real.
Eban to sako we kita sako.
Yeah.
So our thinking but advice in the duku near antara plan school yeni be near to ambora ku cha yeni po but advice in the duku dana.
Na yelku otro
but advice in the duku but yeli na yelku.
Ama like Tinjana Barana. So it's man face a lot.
Chawa in a we face elimine and yako near mana like that. Beckham go to no jili.
Okay.
Ayelku in a Charanga, circling, but circle, big no be bang my erangata eranga.
Yeah. Now Naboran can you look Wuka on them peeling on Mago Manga record songs before.
Okay.
Heck when I record songs then who peel build us some brand.
Okay.
Before course that I'm a hear something but man damn by I'm very like music yela I
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on. Your music, what direction do you put your audience motivation, love, or what exactly?
Woman tracks like it's like real life experience.
Real life experience.
Real life
about yourself or someone.
About like like can they have a convo? Can put it to the paper like I write something about it.
So I want to plan Jimmy Jimbo Po, a Jotoro Lama, until you go, oh, Kada Jaka Madan to make all the consider come Batarabun Jaka and Bayarva. So in the day, you're going to
yeah.
So I can store my can store my
yeah, I track me ready to
so so I feel comfortable about that.
The thing is like that moment man was what be in that situation. And my relationship that was the time like I was shaking it but the feeling but the feeling take on a bongana whole body like a cool nice bongana. So manga record then I think I can do it.
Okay.
I can do it.
Okay, our MP music ngaja, but you'll hard be, but bonga in the face. Okay, the best better ka the bantu face ana yalan shi bantu to face.
Okay, ana mayela no, not me like master nana like kaela dola. Che atro paga man pa ana mo yelku yin jom ngana man lusina. Ana atro paga man da ba expect kana lusu. Dombo jo dream jaten da tara like we'll fly on a jet together.
Okay.
So
and then a friend
yeah, but Blana Torgala Chen, Anamaylan I was in the point of quitting music. Don't bother on the line here can
motivate you to
move them to go hard, yeah.
Okay. Oh. Okay, tell us about your fashion sense.
Fashion.
Yeah.
As I like animal.
I stylish customize one.
I think designing them things.
But
yeah. Animal like I said struggling. Oh, sharp. Yeah. Oh, Nanda. Oh, naman chenchen kumai.
To venkan to anu style ka. Antu the style ka great boy. Style nga mambora chama.
Na yo.
Iki na bancho. Chelo joka amiro na mbi aba mi so kala joka lewa. Ka kenyira mga. Dito ko ta ka oyo cheche yo duko.
Oh na. Nanda ha man.
Nanda ha bro.
Yeah, Loki.
Ndabla yele galio. Okay. To discuss is that another project can plan ka iyini tuna be ready be be like single track be collaboration be EP be bonga jato album.
Now entire tracks. Kamanya ni ana support ma.
Okay.
Actually, I feel I can go far with that person, like Naboran Kura support ma. Can peel a whole lot of projects.
Okay.
Don't jama na recording.
Okay.
And Andrew needs some light visuals.
Okay.
Then promotion will start.
Okay. That's good. Until our discussion point yele jama cha bibi an wayar kan biebe yanda bora kan so he ke da yir ko ni an karata cha ana yala bala no baton so he no so mbaba yel kan biebe bala awa ida bon kan da so yel kan bi yel kan to bi screen san aja man bo ke voice out akunu ba ko understand ni na le be bon na le cha e ba man yala na chance na bantu an yala so until ke yel jabu biebe bala ka ida bantu an da yala ala kuni an karata
in Kiranka, Jonathan finds Samangana.
Okay.
Let me say Upper
West region.
No matter problem.
Okay.
With Edana looks.
Okay.
So let's say Bagoma Bayala ni Nambora. But they will feel like ada sinki garanga.
That's okay
garanga.
Chimentary aim kan
if aim I emphasize on that.
Okay.
So let's say saying
okay.
And you know Jonathan like number bang they don't like people that pierce.
Okay.
And Kamaoga die in June like kala kanga manyamba like down they already be on but they don't know the dream that you are chasing. So ntanambora like about no more need in that situation.
Okay.
There is something behind.
Okay. After so okay man and you see hakala.
Yeah.
I judge you down without case or that ndabu moju nga woman yele ku ngana nga ko understand it kene kana ba ni anjeje toro ndawo to lo le bi do bi ngana nga lo
that's
okay until ne jan kara video ga jamanga ba yo bo mu nga ya kana mo nyane ne yala ya ta ma anjeje ya to ba yaman ta kapialo da bi ajin ngana nga bo mbe ya bala o da mo yele ku ko nga juma me bla ya understand o da until kina ka ti interview ne te ba ha bo be kan ne ka question ja ma antara. So ida wishan ka itara question kan inda wishan kan so ke chama bato moving on bele say kan zan ko ku maybe ni ba wala ki ku ni ba wala shout outs so the bantu de ku fans mun ne jan kara ta ka bada subscribe da ku open mic podcast to be a YouTube abi yar kai moving on nti o kenan ka ni an kara ta ku na bo ku great boy ku na bo ku nye great boy yemi be abantu on contact you na bantu anye be wala na bantu anye.
Okay, be on Audio Mac, YouTube and Spotify.
Okay.
Company man and boy can create Apple Music.
Okay.
And are you a great boy Ray?
Well, I bantu TV Spotify channel bantu ki create Apple Music for now. When Jenny kinanda join ana bo ka ya tazo ki ana stores nja ki de bia ja at once.
Okay, ana mo ela no process kan ala. Ba mbora ka from now on work on it.
Okay.
Or young like a link tree man la. So you know join ana bongana. I release it. Remember and you look here management team like bam post on all social media. So through that man work can.
Okay. So on social media handles aja yorbuya yusobi audio maktaru yo ka YouTube taru yo ka Spotify taru yo
Yeah, aja your boy and try use.
Great Boy Ray.
Great boy Ray.
Yeah. Ano ja use.
Yeah.
Okay. Until in the go to kuye na baba shout outs. Awa itimbe na bato amati wa isi.
Oh, okay. So na yalanka big shout outs to my party man. Upon a normal level, okay. We already TC. And okay. I think none but mentor channel Mohammed, Adi, like Power, like no Jamaat.
Okay.
So can Nayalanka just love out to the people.
Okay.
That one lady like Antroman support him up.
Number.
Antroman I am Raymond go and do music.
One lady,
yeah.
A girl,
nah, like fun.
So only lady.
Yeah.
America really go and do
music.
She girl by your
girl.
The other plans can no dating.
Maba, what the future holds.
Yeah, you know.
And I am Baba.
So one couldn't go and do music.
All I know, like Otro support and movement, Otro
feel is cool.
Number
you coach.
Ntoro batara feel is like
deep down.
Baba yala no. Baba yala no buara pa.
Maybe
to go kona mo feel ka tenama like mabika ana connection no wa.
Okay, muna veka connection wa. Chawe ke dia, muna ka connection wa. Okay, so ina na yelo ku fans ka ko don follow to maybe YouTube, abi TikTok, abi Facebook. Open my podcast.
Okay, I think lovely fans yananda jams na music and a support and brand na. I think open cast there some podcasts like Antro Barat Raging. I need your support so yeah there more check a video nga subscribe. You know subscribe man can comment can your mistakes be can be mistakes. So that's it.
Okay. We out.
Yeah.
Shout out.